Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you. A couple weeks ago I got my hair cut off. It was way down to like here, and I got it cut because I have to have it up for work all the time. And I was starting to get a lot of headaches, so I'll insert a picture of before and after the day I got it cut. But today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. It is so different having short hair. It's been a learning curve. It also tends to get greasier easier. So I'm going to be using some dry shampoo, but let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. If you would, please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.